Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the everyday carry for the gigging musician. This is additional material to go with my video series. I'll post a link to that video series at the end of this video. If you have to provide your own PA to perform a gig, always carry a backup set. You can't stop the gig because your PA should break or not work. You have to soldier on and continue. So I always carry a spare PA system. It might not be as big as the main one, but it's loud enough to get the gig done. If your backing tracks are all on tablet or your phone, carry a spare set on a separate phone and tablet, so if that should break or lose battery power, you can still continue. I even carry with me an old mini disc player. Who remembers mini discs? You might want to Google search that, you younger people. I always carry a mini disc player with me with all of my tracks on mini discs in case I have to revert to that. At no point does the show end because one of my bits of equipment breaks. I have always got a solution. If you're a guitarist who uses foot pedals, always carry backup pedals, or if you use an amplifier, carry a backup amplifier. Like I keep saying, it is so important the gig doesn't stop. You must continue and perform. If you should have to stop, you might get a reputation of not being a good band or performer because you had to stop the gig for a technical fault. And as I have said previously in videos, do not say we are having technical difficulties. It never sounds good. Always try and soldier on and find a solution. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Until next time, take care, keep playing, and of course, as always, goodbye.